What's up? What's up? What's up? Beautiful people. What's up, everybody? It's Sunday, and guess what? Today is my first day for doing my first vlog and my cooking show. So can you believe it? My first cooking show ever. I'm from North Carolina, so you know what? North Carolina people love to eat. And guess what today is? Sunday. Sunday dinner. My favorite thing of all that I like to make is potato salad. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you my favorite recipe to my favorite potato salad. Congratulations for clicking on my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Alright, so we're back and we're ready. I'm ready to go ahead and chow down. I don't know about you all. It's Sunday dinner and it's time to eat. So this is already diced prepared potatoes. I would say about like 3 cups. Go ahead and add that in. And we also have some mayonnaise, mustard, relish, and we have a blend of celery seed and paprika. So what we need to do first is go ahead and put our potatoes in the boiling water. Alright, this water is scorching hot, so people please be careful when you do prepare your potato salad. I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in gently. And also what I forgot to show you that's already cooking, that's going to be added in the potato salad, are hard-boiled eggs. You're going to dice those up once it's done, and you're going to add that in with the rest of the ingredients. So we'll be back shortly after the potatoes are finished. Alright, so we're back. The potatoes are now finished. The next step will be to transfer them into the original bowl that you were going to prepare the potato salad in. Okay, so let's go ahead and transfer it, and please do be careful because this is very hot. And I'm going to show you the next step after that. Alright, make sure it's mixed fairly well in the bowl so that it could get cooled evenly. And how do we cool it, you may ask? Let's just cover this up partially, and this is what I usually do. I go ahead and add this in the freezer just for, I would say, about like 15 minutes to go ahead and cool the potatoes down before we actually incorporate the other ingredients with it. So let that chill for about like 15 minutes, and then we'll be right back. Right, we're back. Just to finish the potato salad. And as you can tell, it's cool. So make sure you don't finish the rest of the potato salad while add the ingredients until the potatoes are cool. So that's easy to work with and so that it can keep its texture just like this. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and add our mayo. I'm going to start off with this first. Go ahead and incorporate all of the mayo in with the potato. It's going to be a little bit of potato salad for us, but wow. The bag's full, I'll tell you that. And we will need the rest of this. You're going to want to make sure that your potato salad is very creamy, guys. And if it's not creamy enough for you, then go ahead and just, get the bottle and add some more. And like I said, the recipe for this will be at the description of my video. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more mayo to it. Alright. Not too good sound, but it will be some good food. Just a little bit more. Okay, that should be perfect. Next thing, mustard. Let me start off with that much. You don't want it to look too yellow. So I believe, yeah, this will be enough for that. Enough mustard. You want it to be a light yellow in color. So make sure all of the potatoes are blended and incorporated with everything. And don't forget, like I said, guys, this is my homemade potato salad that I've been making ever since I was 7 years old. So, you know, you can trust me with this. Alright, that's perfect. Make sure we get the bottom. Like I said, I apologize. This is a little bit of potato salad. It's going to be gone in 3, 2, 4. I counted all that. It's going to be gone that quick though. Alright. Now, next item. Good relish. This is what will make the potato salad kind of thick. Well, I'm sorry, thin. Because of the juice. Incorporate that. So we get everything. As far as presentation, make sure it's all incorporated well. I'm going to add a little bit more. I believe that's good. Set everything over here. And stir it in. And just a special note, in case I want to, if I may add, it's my preference, my opinion, but I don't know if you feel the same way, but I don't like to wear jewelry, and I don't like to wear fake nails, and I don't like to wear fingernail polish when I cook. Because every time when I cook, I have to make sure everything's clean and sanitized. That goes with your hands. Because dirt could be up under your nails, and on top of that, you know, chipped fingernail polish you get in the food. So, that's the thing that I do not like. Jewelry will probably accidentally slip into it when you're reaching over. I don't like that. You have to be as clean as possible when you're grilling with food. Okay, so the next thing, this looks perfect, you guys. We're just going to add just a tad bit. I didn't show this to you in the beginning, but a little bit of sugar. Because I like to have some, a little sweetness in mine. It's your preference. This is optional. You can add it if you want, but I like to have my potato salad a little sweet. So that'll be it for that right there. And as far as these eggs, I add eggs as well. They were cooking when the potatoes were cooking. So, and we're not going to use all of those eggs. We're not making an egg salad. We're making a potato salad. Okay, so now we're going to add just like a quarter of the eggs because it's not enough potatoes for all of these eggs. Now, like I said before, the description will be at the, the recipe will be at the bottom of the description. At the bottom of the video. It looks wonderful. It looks delicious. Okay, and the last thing that we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and add our paprika and celery seed blend. Incorporate it all together. presentation. Just a few shapes of paprika. Voila. Okay, and voila. There we have our infamous homemade potato salad created by Miss Lady J. So now what we're going to do, let's give it a taste try. A taste test. Needs a little bit more sugar. So I'm just going to add that up top. And I get a spoon. All right, and let's test this sucker out. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. This is totally amazing, guys.
Mom, let Brenda try some.
This is excellent. So, you've just witnessed homemade Lady J's potato salad. I'm going to leave the recipe at the bottom of the video in my description. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my cooking show for more recipes, because without the likes and the subscribes, I don't know how it can go on. So make sure you like and subscribe to my cooking show, and I will catch you on the next.